ID card of policeman who led raid on Justice Odilli's residence was signed by Buhari's minister, Malami. Hello, my amazing family. Don't doubt your worth just because someone could not say it. Please don't forget to give us a like or thumbs up. If this is your first time, thank you. This AGF Malami should be sacked with immediate effect. He has been doing a lot of illegal ordering of police, DSS to carry out illegal duties. Even Abakari's case, Uncle. I wonder how we ended up having such a person as an AGF. My family, the facts are now emerging. Justice Onoge was disgraced out of office so as to create room for Malami, and now they want to do the same to Justice Odilli. We cannot be quiet and live as one, killing ourselves, dying slowly. If we must live together, we have to define our unity. Nobody is a second-class citizen in Nigeria. We own this country together. If not, let's go our separate ways. Shikina. Please don't forget to give us a like or a thumbs up if this is your first time. Thank you. Does Malami do anything according to the laws of this country? He is chief criminal officer of the Federation. Nigeria has not had it so bad. Malami is a promoter of everything that is illegal and lawless. It's a very clear fact now that Malami is the one sponsoring kidnapping in Nigeria. He wants, or maybe he wanted to kidnap her for raping, after which he collects ransom. Criminal Minister of Justice, all the Northerners in Buhari government are all evil kidnappers. My family, this illegal or unwarranted invasion, could it happen even in India means Uganda and some Philistine carrion vultures blab democracy? But evidence points to fascism. Mr. Malami must be held personally, culpable on the two heads. One, criminal liability. Two, thought of invasion of privacy. This illegal searching issue needs no consideration to sack Malami before he set this country on fire. How can a single person believe he can do and undo every wrong? All this illegality needs to be redressed. But we all know his brother Buhari will never sack him because that is the rejected Ibrahim Mago confirmation at National Assembly, but he kept him as EFCC chairman. Justice Odele's family residence at Imo River Street in Matamia, Abuja, was raided by fully armed plainclothes security men last Friday. Fresh evidence has emerged that may have exposed the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami's son, who earlier denied his involvement in the invasion of the residence of a justice of the Supreme Court, Mary Odilli, by security operatives. Justice Odele's family residence at Imo River Street in Matiama, Abuja, was raided by fully armed plainclothes security men last Friday. The security operatives were said to consist of soldiers and officers of the Nigeria Police Force (NPF), who identified themselves as members of a joint task force. Even though he has denied involvement in the invasion of the House of the Number 2 judge in the country, Malami still has to come clean with convincing explanations. The identity card of the police officer who led the assault on the residence of Justice Odilli was signed by the AGF. Sahara reporters learned that the name of the ID card is Ajodo FL of the Police and Asset Recovery Unit. His rank is CSP, Chief Superintendent of Police, while his position says OCI Investigation. Ajodo's ID card number is 001. The ID card was signed by Abubakar Malami, son, Attorney General of the Federation. Sahara reporters had earlier reported that the Chief Magistrate of Zone 6 Magisterial Division in Abuja, Emmanuel Iyana, admitted that he was lied to, which made him sign the search warrant, highlighting the invasion of the residence of the Supreme Court Judge Mary Odilli. Iyana had said he was misled by the Federal Ministry of Justice under Malami. The Chief Magistrate consequently revoked the search warrant due to misinterpretation in the first information application supplied by an ad hoc public asset recovery panel domiciled under the Justice Ministry and overseen by Malami. Upon misinterpretation to this honorable court that led to the issuance of a search warrant in favor of joint panel recovery, Ministry of Justice against us 9 Imo Street, Matiama, Abuja, dated October 29, 2021. In view of the above fact, the said search warrant is hereby revoked, he had ruled. Armed operatives at Stone Odilli's residence, bearing a warrant that was issued based on information from a whistleblower, Alayu Umar, an Abuja-based resident. Umar had deposed on October 13th that illegal activities were going on at number 9 Imo Street, Matiama, which should warrant immediate action from law enforcement agents. Odilli is next in line to Nigerian's Chief Justice Tanko Mohammed and stands to benefit from the removal should that happen before her retirement on May 12, 2022. Sources said the raid, approved by Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami, was to let her know she could not be allowed to succeed Mohammed as the head of the nation's judiciary. Another source said regarding the raid on Odele's house, it was planned because they don't want her to become the next CJN. Though she's retiring in about 6 months, that is like 6 years to the Kaaba. They are planning to remove Tanko Mohammed before then and don't want the woman to ever act as CJN for one day. The most senior justice after Odele is Olukayode Ariwola, but they claim he's got a terminal illness, is expected to retire soon on health grounds. The fourth most senior of the justices who could take over as CJN is Musa Dantijo Mohammed, another northerner from Niger State, is also expected to retire in 2023. They accused Odili of being a PDP opposition party, People's Democratic Party, judge, and that her husband helps to fix lots of judgments at their home in Abuja. That was why the husband was also embarrassed recently. Forget also about Malami's denier. He was directly in charge of the raid. He chose the day President Muhammadu Buhari arrived from Saudi Arabia to do it because he needed to impress Buhari that he is still loyal as efforts are being intensified to remove him as minister. They want to force Tanko out soon and don't want the woman to replace him. They consider her too close to the PDP, so they have to embarrass her to ensure she does not get to replace him at all. But please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and please hit on the notification button down below. Number one news plug. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.